everyone, how are you today? My name is Jihan Rofifah, Class 4A Mathematics Education. Okay, we will talk about the circle. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss.
Hello student, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, Miss. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Hopefully, in this day, we are given help by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Now, it's still a COVID-19 pandemic. I will remind you to follow the COVID-19 health protocol, which is washing your hand, keep social distancing, and always wearing your mask. Although we learn via Zoom meeting, hopefully the knowledge given us useful for us in times of pandemic like this. Well, before we learn, it will be nice for us to pray first. Please pray begins. Okay, finish. So, are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Well, then I will check your attendance. For those whose name are mentioned, please stay present. Dia Ayu Rivitasari.
Dia have problem with her connection, Miss. She told me she will join later.
Okay, thank you, Sylvia, for your information. Okay, Indah Putri Diani.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Rizka Fitriani.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Nurusul Ciwardana.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Sylvia Ismi.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Vivit Eka Pratiwi.
Present, Miss.
Thank you. I want to ask a question related to the previous meeting. Does anyone to still remember what we learned?
I miss distinguishing the use of the sum and difference of sinus and cosinus. Solve problems related to the formula for the sum and difference of sinus and cosinus.
That's right. What is the formula of sin x plus sin y?
I miss the formula sin x plus sin y is the formula for the equation of sin obtained from the sum of the two angles sin. The form for the equation of sin x plus sin y is as the following: sin x plus sin y equals to sin a half times y times x plus y cos a half times x minus y.
Yes, it's true what Rizka and Indah said. For the material that we discussed last week about distinguishing the use of the sum and difference of sinus and cosine, solve problems related to the formula for the sum and difference of sinus and cosine. So let's start right away. Previously, I had learning goals that you must achieve. Now, I want to share screen the PowerPoint. Have you seen the PowerPoint?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
And basic competencies is 3.3, analyze circles analytically. 4.3, resolving problems associated with circles. The learning objective is, after following the learning process, students are able to understand the concept of circles and their properties correctly, analyze circles that meet certain criteria analytically, find the equation of the tangent to a circle that passes through a point on the circle, find the equation of the tangent to a circle with a gradient m, find the equation of the tangent to a circle that passes through a point outside the circle, solve problems related to the equation of a circle. Okay, circle in one the geometric objects that are often found in everyday life. Many objects around us are made in the form of circle, such as clocks, coins, tires, rings, CDRS, short button, and many others objects. Okay, and the example 2 of a circle material in everyday life is, okay, you look the figure 3 about earthquake radius. Not infrequently in everyday events, circular language is the most appropriate means of communication to convey information. For example, say an earthquake shakes city A with its center point B and a radius of r km. With this information, we can find out whether residents in city C, which is not from city A, feel the impact of the earthquake or not. Okay, we move about the definition. First, a circle is the locus of points that are equidistant the radius of the circle. From a certain point, the center of the circle drawn on the Cartesian plan. P, A point B equals center of circle, R is radius of circle, R equals AP equals BP equals CP. And the second, a tangent to the circle is a line that intersects the circle at exactly one point and that point. The equation of the tangent to a circle can be formed if the value of the equation of the circle is known, namely x squared plus y squared plus ax plus bx plus by plus c equals 0. And the third, in solving the tangent line equation problem, there are tips and tricks to make it easier for you to answer this tangent equation problem. Tips and tricks are as follows. First, determine the value of the slope of the tangent line M. Determine the value of the radius R and the center of the circle xp, yp. Determine the type of equation of the tangent to the circle, whether the problem is type 1, directly looking for the gradient of the tangent to the circle. Type 2, point on the circle or point of tangency. Type 3, point outside the circle. And the last, enter the formula for the equation of the tangent to a circle in each type. Okay, this is figure 4. Okay, next, the first, we can talk about equation a tangent line from a point on circle. This is figure 5. Suppose the point Px1, point y1 lies on a circle with center O 0.0 and radius r. Then a tangent is drawn from the point P as shown in the figure. The general equation for the tangent line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The gradient of the line connecting point O 0.0 and point P x1 point y1 is MOP equals delta y over delta x equals y1 minus 0 divided x1 minus 0 equals y1 divided x1. The tangent to the circle and the line OP are perpendicular so that m times MOP equals minus 1. M equals minus 1 divided MOP equals minus 1 divided y1 divided x1 equals minus x1 divided y1. M equals minus x1 divided y1 is substituted into the general equation of the tangent line. Y minus y1 equals minus x1 divided y1 times x minus x1. Y1 times y minus y1 equals minus x1 times x minus x1. Y1y minus y1 square equals minus x1x times x1 square. X1x times y1y equals x1 square plus y1 square. X1x plus y1y equals r square. So the equation of the tangent line from the point P, x1 point y1 on circle, x square plus y square equals r square is x1x plus y1y equals r square. Okay, next, the same materials, equation of a tangent line from a point on a circle. So the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square equals r square, which has a slope of m is y equals mx plus minus r square root m square plus 1. The same way, the equation of the tangent line of the tangent point x1 point y1, which lies on the circle with this equation, a, the brackets x minus a square plus the brackets y minus b square equals r square is the brackets x1 minus a times the brackets x minus a plus y1 minus b, the brackets y minus b equals r square. And the b, x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0 is x1x plus y1y plus a divided 2 times x1 plus x equal plus b divided 2 times y1 plus y times c equals 0. And the second materials is equation of a tangent line with known gradient. A line that has a gradient m and passes through the point 0 point C is represented by y equals mx plus c. If the line is tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equals r squared, then the equation of the tangent to the circle can be obtained by the following step. Substitute y equals mx plus c into the equation of the circle x squared plus y squared equals r squared, so that x squared plus m the bracket mx plus c squared equals r squared. X squared plus m squared x squared plus 2mcx plus c squared equals r squared. X squared plus m squared x squared plus 2 times mcx plus c squared minus r squared equals 0. The brackets 1 plus m squared times x squared plus 2 times mcx plus c squared equal minus r squared equals 0. The line is tangent to the circle intersect the circle at the one point. If the discriminant value of the quadratic equation above is equal to 0, this equals b squared minus 4ac minus 0. And then b equals 0. 2 times mc squared minus 4 times 1 plus m squared times c squared minus r squared equals 0. 4 times m squared times c squared minus 4c squared minus 4m squared c squared plus 4r squared plus 4m squared r squared equals 0. Minus 4c squared plus 4r squared plus 4m squared r squared equals 0. 4c squared equals 4r squared plus 4m squared r squared. C squared equals r squared plus m squared r squared. C squared equals r squared plus 1 times plus 1 plus m squared. C equals plus minus r square root m squared plus 1. Okay, next, in the same material, solve the equation of the tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equals r squared, which has a slope of m is y equals mx plus minus r square root m squared plus 1. The same way, the equation of the tangent to the gradient m on a circle with the standard equation x minus the bracket x minus a squared plus the brackets y minus b squared equals r squared is formulated by y minus b equals m times x minus a plus minus r square root m squared plus 1. Okay, and the last materials is equation of tangent lines draw a point outside the circle. This is a figure 7. From a point x1 and y1 outside the circle, two tangents to the circle can always be drawn. See figure. This is figure. The equation of the tangent draw up the point x1, point y1 outside the circle can be determined in 3 ways. The first way is using the discriminant and the quadratic equation. The second is using the formula for the equation of the tangent line with a known gradient. And the last, find the point of tangency by determining the equation of the polar line or polar from point P and intersect it with a circle. Okay, I want to ask about the PowerPoint. How do you determine the equation of line that touch the circle at the point?
Hi, Miss. The answer is first, a tangent line through a point on the circle. 2, a tangent line through a point outside the circle. 3, a tangent line to a circle if the slope of the line is known.
Very good, Sylvia. After saying the material about the circle in the PowerPoint, I hope that all students can analyze the circle well analytically and solve problems related to the circle.
Inshallah, Miss.
Okay. Okay, now I will divide you into 3 groups. Group 1, members of Indah and Suci. Group 2, members of Rizka and Sylvia. And Group 3, members of Dia and Vivit.
Okay,
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, before starting the discussion, I will take you into a breakout Zoom. I give 10 minutes to discussion and observe problems related to the circle tangan equation on the student worksheet, which have been uploaded in WhatsApp group. Please accept to join in breakout Zoom.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Okay, student, anyone to ask about this material today?
I want to ask Miss how to determine the tangen to the circle, Miss.
Okay, first, suppose that the tangen y is equal to mx plus n. Then what is the next step?
Then substitute point a in brackets x1, comma y1 to y equal to mx plus n and get the value of n. That's right, Miss?
Yes, that's right. What is the next step?
Then after that, we substitute again the value of n to line y equals to mx plus n. That's right, Miss?
Yes, that's right. Then substitute the newly obtained line where n has been replaced into the equation of a circle by determining the value of the discriminant d. D is equals to 0. Finally, obtain the value of m. What is the next step?
Substitute the value of m into the new line. That's right, Miss?
Very good. Okay, if you want to ask again, you can chat me via WhatsApp or via Schoology. And don't forget the time is 5 minutes again.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, I want to leave this breakout Zoom. Bye, see you in the general Zoom meeting. Okay, student, anyone to ask about these materials today?
Nothing, Miss.
Okay, if you don't want to ask, then I have any question for you. So the equation of the tangen that passes through the point R 7 point minus 2 on the circle x square plus y square minus xx plus 12y plus 27 equals 0 is?
3x minus 4y minus equals 0.
Okay, good job. Okay, if you want to ask, you can chat me via WhatsApp or via Schoology. And don't forget, the time is 5 minutes again.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, I want to leave this breakout Zoom. Bye, see you in the general Zoom meeting.
Bye, Miss.
Okay, student, anyone to ask about the materials today?
You speak first, Sylvia.
Okay, don't be shy to ask. It's okay, no problem.
No, Miss, we don't want to ask question. We just want to thank you for the tips and trick on how to do the equation of a tangen to a circle. We understand, inshallah.
Yes, that's right, Miss. So it's easier to do it too. Thank you, Miss.
Oh, it's true not so. Okay, if you want to ask, you can chat me via WhatsApp or via Schoology. And don't forget the time, it's 5 minutes again.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, I want to leave this breakout Zoom. Bye, see you in the general Zoom meeting.
Okay, Miss.
Well, now you are presenting the result of your answer about analyze circle analytically with tangen equation circle material. Which of you want to present the result of the answer first?
I am Miss A on the start screen of question and answers.
Okay, first group, please start the presentation.
Okay, I'm from group 1 with my friend Indah Fitriani. Equation of a tangen line through a point and a circle. Find the equation of the tangen that passes through the point R 7, minus 2 on the circle x square plus y square minus 8x plus 12y plus 27 equal to 0. We first check whether the point R 7, minus 2 lies on the circle x square plus y square minus 8x plus 12y plus 27 equal to 0. Here 7 comma minus 2 to 7 squared plus minus 2 squared minus 8 times 7 plus 12 times minus 2 plus 27 equal to 0. 49 plus 4 minus 56 minus 24 plus 27 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0, and the answer is true. It means that the point R 7 comma minus 2 lies on the circle and is a tangent point. Location of the tangent through the point R 7 comma minus 2 on the circle x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 12y plus 27 equal to 0 can be determined by the formula x1x plus y1y minus a divided 2 times x1 plus x plus 12 divided 2 times y1 plus y plus 27 equal to 0. 7x plus minus 2y minus 8 divided 2 times 7 plus x plus 12 divided 2 times minus 2 plus y plus 27 equal to 0. 7x minus 2y minus 4 times 7 plus x plus 6 times minus 2 plus y plus 27 equal to 0. 7x minus 2y minus 28 minus 4x minus 12 plus 6y plus 27 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 13 equal to 0. So the equation of the tangent that pass through the point R 7 minus 2 on the circle x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 12y plus 27 equal to 0 is 3x plus 4y minus 13 equal to 0. Done, miss.
Okay, very good. Give applause for the group 1. Okay, continue the second group. Which of you wants to present the result of your answer?
I want to share screen, miss.
Okay.
The answer from group 2, equation of tangent line with known gradient. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle x plus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 169, which is parallel to the line y equal 3x.
Aku tidak mau ketawa.
Lanjut apa ulang, Ji?
Coba ulang. Maaf ya, nggak ada teksnya. Aduh, nggak sempet bikinnya.
Okay. The answer from group 2, equation of tangent line with known gradient. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle x plus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 169, which is parallel to the line y equals 3x plus 5. The answer is the line y equals 3x plus 5 has a gradient of m1 equals 3. The tangent to the circle is parallel to the line y equals 3x plus 5, meaning the gradient of the tangent is m equals of the circle r equals root of 169 equals 13. Then the equation of the tangent line is y minus b equals m times x minus a plus minus r root of m squared plus 1. Y minus 4 equals 3 times x plus 2 plus minus 13 times root of 3 squared plus 1. Y equals 3x plus 6 plus 4 plus minus 13 times root of 10. Y equals 3x plus 10 plus minus 13 times root of 10. So the equation of the tangent to the circle x plus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 169, which is parallel to the line y equals 3x plus 5 is y equals 3x plus 10 plus 13 root of 10, and y equals 3x plus 10 minus 13 root of 10. Then miss.
Okay, very good. For group 2, give applause for group 2. Okay, the last group. Which of you wants to the presentation for your answer?
I am Miss. I want to share screen of question and answer.
Okay.
Okay, equation of tangent line struck a point outside the circle. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equals 36, which pass through the point P, h, 0 outside the circle with using the discriminant quadratic equation. The answer is the point P, h, 0 lies outside the circle x squared plus y squared equals 36 because x squared plus 0 squared equals 64 greater than 36, let the equation of the tangen line through the point P 8,0 for example, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Y minus 0 equals m times x minus 8. Y equals m times x minus 8 times m. The equation y equals m times x minus 8 times m is substituted into the equation of the circle, we get the common quadratic equation. X squared plus y squared equals 36. X squared plus m times x minus 8 times m squared equals 36. X squared plus m squared times x squared minus 16m squared times x plus 64m squared minus 36 equals 0. Obtain A equals 1 plus m squared times 64m squared minus 36 equals 0. So that the line is taken to the circle, then the discriminant of the common quadratic equation is equal to 0. D equals 0. D equals b squared minus 4 times a times c equals mean 60m squared in square means 4 1 plus m squared times 64m squared minus 36 equals 0. Then miss.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Give applause for group 3. Okay. Answer from all of you. Okay, now we are at the end for today's meeting. I want to ask one person who could conclude for today's material.
Is one of the geometric objects that are often found in everyday life. Many objects around us are made in the form of circle, such as clocks, coins, tires, ring, CDR, shirt buttons, and many other objects. A tangen line throws a point on the circle. A tangen line throws a point outside the circle, and a tangen to a circle if the slope of the line is known.
Okay, interesting conclusion. Very good, Dia. Big applause for Dia. Okay, well, student, is there any more to ask?
Nothing miss.
Okay, to measure your level of understanding about this material, I will share a student worksheet and student assessment that you can access to work on some question related from today's learning. Don't forget to read the materials and videos for the next meeting. I have uploaded in Schoology.
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
Okay, I think enough for today's meeting. Thank you for your attention. Keep spirit and stay healthy. Now we can say Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so much,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay, my pleasure. Schoology for Senior High School from Miss Jihan Rofifah. The folder is Specialization Mathematics Class 11th semester even. Okay, we are open. We have PDF, PowerPoint circle, discussion, quiz, student worksheet, and student assessment.